In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a profit and loss by month report in QuickBooks Desktop. If you want a clear month-by-month view of your income and expenses, this report is one of the most useful tools in QuickBooks Desktop. It helps you understand how your business is performing over time, rather than looking at just one total for the entire year. This can make it much easier to spot trends, seasonal changes, or unusual increases in spending. To get started, open QuickBooks Desktop and go to the top menu bar. From there, click on Reports. This is where QuickBooks organizes all of its built-in financial and management reports. Once the Reports menu opens, choose Company and Financial. In that section, click on Profit and Loss Standard. That will open the basic Profit and Loss report in a new report window. Now that the report is open, the next step is to adjust the date range. At the top of the report window, find the Dates drop-down menu. Click it and choose the range you want to review. For example, you can select All if you want to see all available activity, or This fiscal year if you only want to review the current fiscal period. Choosing the correct date range is important because it determines which transactions are included in the report. After setting the dates, look for the Show Columns drop-down. This setting controls how the information is broken out across the report. Click that drop-down and select Month. Once you do that, QuickBooks will reorganize the profit and loss report, so each column represents a separate month within the date range you selected. At this point, you'll be able to review your business income, cost of goods sold if applicable, expenses and net income month by month. This format is especially helpful if you're comparing performance across different parts of the year or checking whether revenue and expenses are moving in the direction you expect. As you review the report, take your time to scan across the monthly columns rather than only looking at the final totals. That gives you a better picture of patterns and changes over time. If something looks off, this report can be a useful starting point for deeper review, and that's how to run a profit and loss by month report in QuickBooks Desktop. Once you know where to find it and how to adjust the date and column settings, it becomes a quick and reliable way to monitor monthly financial performance.